Hello, this is Ken from Easy Test Pool Supplies, another episode of Swimming Pool Talk. I'm sitting here with Pat. How are we talking about?
Today, the famous water seal, Ken.
Very important.
Probably 15, maybe 20 bucks.
Very cheap part. Very important in keeping your pump running.
So Ken, typical scenario, customer comes in, we'll either say he's got water dripping out of the bottom of the motor, or the motor's what?
Squealing at you.
So we know it's time to change it. So when we change a water seal and we recommend a new pump,
Yep.
we always know we have to sell a water seal with it, a little ceramic seal. You have to get the right one, and we always remember ceramic on ceramic.
That's right.
So we've had a few times where a customer will decide to do it themselves, and in 30 days, the motor, they'll come back and the motor's loud. We'll ask them to bring it in, and what will have happened?
Ceramic on metal, rubber on metal, not ceramic on ceramic.
You got it.
Yep.
So very important when you purchase a new motor, change the water seal, make sure it's changed correctly, make sure 24 hours later, after you put the new motor in, you come and check to see if it's leaking out of the bottom of the motor. If it is, that means the water seal is either, could be incorrect, it could be installed improperly, there's something wrong. The reason the motor failed to begin with was because either age, which everything gets older, 8 to 10 years old. If it was leaking, it's because water comes into the front bearing on the motor and the motor fails. It squeals. So this can happen if the water seal is installed incorrectly. It can happen in 5 days after a brand new motor. It's not the motor that failed. It's the water seal that failed the motor. Think we did all right on that one?
I think so, Pat. I think they got it.
Covered it. You want to say anything else?
No. Thanks for watching.
Beautiful.